1. 1989 Ford Ranger XLT, $250, Federal Way, Washington. This 1989 Ford Ranger XLT is a one-owner truck with only 45,000 miles. The truck is in excellent mechanical condition, with no mechanical issues and a body that remains straight. It has been well maintained, featuring a 2.9-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission and overdrive. The interior is clean, and the exterior, although in fair condition with some aging paint, is free of dents and rust. It runs and drives excellently, making it a solid option for someone looking for a reliable truck with many years of life left. The clean and clear title in Washington State adds to its appeal. To 1984 Chevy 3/4 ton, $4,900, Alta Loma, Rancho Cucamonga, California. This 1984 Chevy 3/4 ton long bed is a robust classic truck featuring a 350 cubic inch Goodwrench crate engine. The truck has only 11,000 miles on its new motor and is equipped with excellent tires and rims. The truck's transmission is automatic and it has a clean title. It's in good condition with a solid frame and good tires, making it a good foundation for someone looking for a reliable workhorse or a classic to restore. Three, 1983 Silverado Square Body, 4,950 NW, Austin, Texas. This 1983 Chevrolet Silverado is a square body pickup in good condition with a 111,300 miles on the odometer. The truck is rust-free and the original paint appears to be intact. Notably, the truck has been upgraded with a crate 350 V8 engine in place of the original 305 V8. The truck features functional power windows and locks. Though the gauges do not work, an extra set is included. It's a great starting point for a restoration project or could be driven as is, offering a blend of reliability and nostalgia. For 1967 Chevy C10 short bed, $7,900, Kennewick, Washington. This 1967 Chevy C10 short bed is a fantastic restoration project with a newly tuned-up 327 V8 engine. Though the odometer is broken, it's evident the truck has been well cared for. New tires and a brand new battery are installed, and many new parts are included, such as brake sets. The truck has a manual transmission and is in fair condition, showing the signs of its age, but its overall structure is solid. Given the extensive restoration work already done, this truck could be a great investment for a classic enthusiast. Five, 1968 C20 Custom Truck, $7,500, Belfair, Washington. The 1968 Chevy C20 Custom is an excellent example of classic American muscle with its 396 engine and automatic transmission. This truck features dual exhaust with a crossover and is unmodified, maintaining its originality. The odometer has rolled over, and it offers unique features like a wood bed, overload springs, and OE hubcaps. The interior has been well maintained, and it has recently installed newer tires and brakes. This is a solid truck with immense potential for further modifications or preservation. Six, 1988 Nissan Hardbody, weight $850, Vancouver, Washington. This 1988 Nissan Hardbody pickup is a great option for someone seeking a reliable, low-cost classic truck. With a clean title and 147,150 miles, the truck has 2 previous owners, one of which was in Southern California, contributing to its good condition. The 2.4-liter i4 engine runs smoothly, and the transmission is an automatic 5-speed. The truck comes with some additional features such as air conditioning, a bed liner, and chains. It could benefit from some minor mechanical work, but the truck is still in good condition and runs well. Seven, 1985 Ford F250 4x4 flatbed, $5,000, St. George, Utah. This 1985 Ford F250 4x4 flatbed is an excellent off-road truck equipped with a 460 engine and C6 transmission. The engine has been overhauled with new parts, ensuring the truck runs smoothly. It has classic truck rust, but the cab flooring has been reinforced. The truck's four-wheel drive system works well, making it suitable for rugged terrain and work use. It's an ideal truck for someone looking for a versatile, classic Ford truck with a strong engine and solid build. (1987) Chevy S10 V8 383 stroker, $9,800, Portland, Oregon. This 1987 Chevy S10 is a street machine with a built 383 V8 engine that produces 403 horsepower to the rear wheels. It has a TH350 transmission and features a mini spool in the rear end with 3.73 gears. The truck has a rust-free body, new suspension components, and a Black Widow exhaust system. The low-mileage drivetrain and solid frame make this a great hot rod for those who love performance. The truck sounds great, and with some finishing touches, it would be an excellent addition to any enthusiast's collection. Nine, 1981 GMC Square Body, $3,200, Caldwell, Texas. This 1981 GMC Square Body is on a half-ton long bed with a 4.1-liter inline-6 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. It has 67,000 miles, though the odometer is broken. This barn find is largely rust-free, with only some rust in the inside of the bed and tailgate. It's a solid truck in good condition with some work needed, such as cleaning and replacing the windshield. It offers great potential for restoration or use as a daily driver. 10, 1988 Nissan Truck Hardbody, $1,700, Rogue River, Oregon. This 1988 Nissan Hardbody truck has a 2.4-liter engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. With 290,000 miles, the truck has some wear but remains in good condition. It has no power steering, and the body is in good shape with a carburetor and battery in working order. Despite the high mileage, it still runs well and offers great value for someone looking for a reliable and affordable classic truck. (11) 1987 Dodge Ram, Wallapai, Arizona. This 1987 Dodge Ram comes with a 360 Ci engine and 4-barrel carburetor paired with an automatic transmission. It has 64,889 original miles and features new tires and wheels from a 2024 Ram 2500. The truck is a good runner with smooth performance, and the 8-foot bed makes it a solid work truck. Its vintage appeal, low mileage, and upgraded tires make it a good investment for someone looking for a reliable, classic pickup truck. (12) 1986 Ford F350 diesel, 6,750, Danville, San Ramon, California. This 1986 Ford F350 is a diesel-powered truck with a 6.9-liter IDI engine and 47,000 original miles. It features a hydraulic dump bed and is in excellent condition both mechanically and aesthetically. The interior is well maintained and the exterior has a cool patina. It also has new tires. With low mileage and family ownership since new, this truck is a gem for anyone looking for a classic diesel workhorse. '13 1985 Chevy S10 V6 Long Box, $5,000, Missoula, Montana. This 1985 Chevy S10 V6 Long Box offers a reliable and affordable classic pickup truck. It has an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The truck runs well and could be driven as is or undergo some repairs. With 85,000 miles, it remains a solid option for someone seeking an affordable and easy-to-maintain truck. '14 1981 Chevy pickup, $4,400, Hayes Valley, California. This 1981 Chevy pickup is a solid classic truck with a 6-cylinder engine and a manual transmission. The odometer is broken, but the truck has been well maintained by the current owner for over 30 years. It runs well and offers great potential for someone looking to restore or preserve this vintage pickup.